Wired Internet Connection. In this video, we will demonstrate how to connect the ePower control to the Internet via a wired network connection LAN. The video is divided into three sections. Required materials. Connecting the controller to the Internet. Configuring the Internet settings. Part 1. Required materials. For this, we will need ELMS device, a switch, an additional RJ45 to RJ45 Ethernet cable to connect ELMS device to the switch, a laptop, a USB to RJ45 adapter if your laptop lacks a LAN port, RJ45 to RJ45 Ethernet cable for configuration purposes. Part 2. Connecting ePower control to the Internet. To connect ELMS device to the Internet, start by connecting one end of the RJ45 to RJ45 cable to any of ELMS LAN ports, 1, 2, or 3. The LAN port 4 is reserved for configuration only. Next, connect the other end of the RJ45 to RJ45 cable to the switch. With the ePower control now linked to the switch via the LAN port, connect the switch to the Internet by plugging in the RJ45 cable that provides Internet access to the switch. When properly connected, the LED should start blinking, indicating a valid connection. So to recap, we've established a wired connection to the switch, which is connected to the ePower control via LAN port 1, 2, or 3. Part 3. Configuring the Internet settings. Connect your laptop to the LAN port 4 of ELMS device. When properly connected, the LED should start blinking, indicating a valid connection. Access the settings from your laptop. Go to Network and Internet Settings. Go to Change Adapter Settings. Right-click on Connection to the local network. Select Properties. Click on Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4. Select Properties. Select Obtain an IP address automatically to enable automatic IP address allocation, or select Use the following IP address for manual IP address assignment and enter the settings as shown in the next window. A small TCP/IP window will appear. Click on Yes. Then click on OK to save configuration. Open your preferred browser and log into eConf by entering the following IP address: 192.168.4.127. Enter your password to log into eConf and click Sign in to connect. On the left sidebar, click on Network. Click on Configure a new connection. In the Connection Type menu, select Internet Access. Then in the Interface menu, choose Wired Access LAN 1. Select DHCP for automatic IP address allocation. Alternatively, choose IP Static to manually enter the IP address and network settings: IP address, mask, gateway, DNS. For now, we will use DHCP configuration for automatic address allocation. Click OK to save the configuration. Your wired connection is now configured. Please feel free to contact ELMS support or your sales managers. Eager to see you in our next training session.